फोंड्या पालिकेच्यो 29 एप्रिलाक वेंचणुको जावपाच्यो आसात. शुक्रारा निमण्या 8 उमेदवारांनी आपले अर्ज भरले. 15 प्रभागांनी वेंचणुकां खातीर एकूण मेळून सगळे 82 उमेदवारी अर्ज भरिल्ले आसात. RD एक्सको खातीर फोंडेच्यान महेंद्र गांवकार.
General election to the Ponda Municipal Council. Today is the last day of nomination. Altogether we received 21 nomination from 19 candidates. Today is the last day of nomination and we received altogether 21 nomination today from 19 candidates. Altogether in all wards as of now we receive altogether 117 nomination from 87 candidates. In ward number 5 there are maximum candidate, that is 8, and the ward number 13 there are only 3 candidates. Monday, that is 16th of April, there will be scrutiny of all the forms, and thereafter immediately we will prepare the final list of the candidates. 17th April will be the date for withdrawal from 10 to 2 p.m. List by Monday, and after withdrawal that will be the final contesting candidate. You will come to know on 17th.
It is after 2 p.m.
After
evening.